Hello guys, it's Cody Wyman here with the Gift Card Lifestyle. I'm coming to you with this quick video on whether Swagbucks is worth it. Now, they've done a lot of changes in the last few months and years. They've done a lot of changes, as with any company. And the best way that I know how to rack up any points would be to do these surveys here. There's a ton of them. You can scroll through. You could see them. So under the answers section on this site, you will be able to see them and answer as many of them as you can. The only thing I don't like is that there is a limit to how many surveys they'll let you try and answer. Another high category is the shop category. That is the highest category that you could earn points in, because the more you spend, the more you make. The next one is search. Now, this one doesn't give a lot of points all the time, but you can get anywhere from 5 to 50 points on a search based upon what they feel like giving you. So at least that'll be in there. So I'm just going to search for something here. And it'll bring up the search terms, and sometimes it'll bring up this little ticket saying you earned, such and such Swagbucks, you earned this amount of points. And then the least likely thing that will get you points have to do with the watch. Now, if you go to the watch thing, it'll have most popular content for today, and it'll give you 2 for each of the videos, and they don't really specify how many videos are in the set before you get credited. So I only do this when I'm not really doing the site. I'm just, casually scouring the site for whatever I can muster. And sometimes it'll tell you, like in this one, it'll tell you 4 steps for one, 4 steps for one on this one, but a lot of the rest of them won't. So I tend to avoid this. Unless I'm just letting it go in the background. And the other thing is to make sure you do the daily poll, because the daily poll has, a lot. If you do your daily poll, that's 1 easy point. So let's go ahead and answer it. And I don't like playing solitaire because I really don't play games that well. And so it credits you for the points there. And then you could also refer people. That's another high ranking thing. You could send an email to friends, family, or you can copy the link on your Facebook pages or your Twitter or anything like that, or Instagram. Put your link in your bio if that's what you want to do. And so we come to the end and I ask, is this program worth it? It's worth it, but it's not a be-all, end-all to the income. It's more of an extra income generator, if you will. So use this as extra income for you when you need it. Otherwise, there are other worthwhile endeavors but do this as an extra income stream to help boost you up. All right? Thanks for tuning in. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.